Hey there, welcome to Wi-Fi Hustler. Today's topic is one that many of us can relate to: how to talk to a girl confidently. Whether it's in a social setting or a potential romantic interest, it can be intimidating to approach someone you're interested in. But with the right mindset and understanding of the physiological processes that occur when we interact with others, you can increase your confidence and improve your social interactions. So let's dive in. 1. When talking to a girl confidently, your brain activates the prefrontal cortex, which is responsible for decision-making, social behavior, and personality development. 2. As you engage in conversation with a girl, your brain releases dopamine, a neurotransmitter associated with pleasure and reward. This release of dopamine can enhance your confidence and motivation to continue the conversation. 3. Your heart rate and blood pressure may increase slightly as your body prepares for potential social interaction. However, with confidence, these physical responses can be managed and controlled. 4. Your body language plays a significant role in communicating your confidence. By standing tall, maintaining eye contact, and speaking with a clear and assertive tone, you can convey confidence and attract positive attention. 5. When speaking, your vocal cords vibrate, producing sound waves that travel through the air and are picked up by the girl's ears. Your voice can also reveal your emotional state, and speaking confidently can help project a positive, upbeat tone. 6. As you engage in conversation, your brain processes the information received, forms responses, and sends signals to your muscles to articulate speech. 7. The frontal and temporal lobes of your brain play a crucial role in understanding language and interpreting social cues. By paying attention to the girl's verbal and nonverbal communication, you can adjust your responses to create a positive and engaging conversation. 8. When you listen attentively to the girl and respond thoughtfully, you can establish rapport and build a connection. This can lead to increased trust and comfort, enabling you to maintain confidence throughout the conversation. 9. The amygdala, a part of the brain responsible for processing emotions, can also play a role in your confidence levels when talking to a girl. By managing any feelings of anxiety or nervousness, you can maintain a positive and confident demeanor. 10. Ultimately, the physiology of talking to a girl confidently involves the integration of various brain functions and physical responses. By understanding these processes and developing positive communication habits, you can enhance your confidence and improve your social interactions with girls. Thanks for watching. I hope you found this video helpful in understanding the physiology of talking to a girl confidently. Remember, confidence is not about being perfect, but rather about being comfortable with who you are and how you communicate. By developing positive communication habits and managing any feelings of anxiety, you can improve your social interactions and build meaningful connections with others. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to Wi-Fi Hustler for more content like this. Until next time, keep hustling.